Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Shay. This morning we are doing a Christmas gift unboxing. But before we begin, I would like for you to please like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Um, so let us begin. Okay, this is what we're doing. I've already taken everything out of the box to make this really quick. This is just a quick video just to show you what I got for Christmas. I actually got Christmas gift cards from Sephora, for Sephora. I ordered my stuff and I already got my boxes back. I do have a couple more packages that I have not gotten yet because I have not ordered them yet. But I will. I just haven't pulled the trigger because I just don't know what I want yet. So I'm still holding out for a $50 gift. Okay, so let's begin. I already have some of this, but I ordered it again because I really like it. It is some First Aid Beauty Hydrating Ultra Repair Cream, and I really love this facial moisturizer. It is amazing. And then I got my favorite concealer from Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cookie. Boom. Okay. And then I got my Huda Beauty powder. This time I got it in the shade Blondie. I also have it in the shade Pound Cake. No, not Pound Cake. I'm sorry, Banana Bread. I use that shade as well. And I love the Tatcha hydrating cream in the purple. But this time I got it in the green. This is the water cream because this and the purple one is going to be like too hydrating. I have oily skin and I don't know how my skin's going to like all that. Might start breaking out. And then I got this as a free gift from Natasha Denona. This is a gift from Sephora with well, actually it's not a gift. I got it with my points. I also got this uh um what is it? AHA salicylic acid serum. I hate that word. It's so long. It's so crazy. It's a tongue twister. But yeah, I got these two with my points from Sephora. And guys, yeah, that's all I got with the cards that I got. Believe it or not, you would think that's a little bit of stuff, but everything on Sephora is pretty pricey. So yeah, as soon as I pull the trigger on that other $50, I will post it. And I hope everyone had a great Christmas and a happy new year. And we will be getting the video out pretty soon. Um Probably this week. So yeah, for sure, I will probably be doing some makeup this week with you guys on the channel. So stay tuned. Look forward to that. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.